Oh no! Oh fuck! Bruh. Spray it.
Eating that. I think the throttle's not open.
It dropped the valve.
Did it?
Yeah.
Keep trying to start it.
Yeah, Eric, no.
Damn it, you broke our only toy.
Alright, let's take her apart.
She's good. I think that. Well, now we're here. Yeah, might as well pull that piece of shit out.
We don't need no exhaust.
We don't need that.
That's just weight, ball. We can prime it back and forth too. Yo, do we have the ball hone?
No. We gotta roll the mower back.
Alright, then do it.
Bring the. There we
Oh, there she goes.
We shouldn't be allowed to work on small engines.
Yeah. We shouldn't be allowed
Once
to
you work on cars, small engines are just jokes, and this is how they all turn out.
Ugh, I can't get that one out. Wonder if the push rod will
See if the valve will.
Well,
no
I can
push
spin
rod.
this whole thing over.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
We'll see if the valve will
can't
close,
see
and
it
then we'll
anymore.
crank it, and I'll let it spit some more out.
Alright, we just gotta make sure that there's nothing else in there.
Well, put the fucking head back on it and let me crank it.
Alright, we'll get the
it has some
gasket.
compression.
Flip it over.
The spark plug's mint.
Yeah, it's brand new. Max, give me the fucking. No, put this here.
Oh.
Somehow, give me a
Here,
bolt.
just pick this up.
Where's the bolts?
Somewhere.
Rebuilt.
We'll stick one of the
There's
bolts
a-
through the fucking thing here.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Got a pocket.
Bolts! Bolts!
Bolts.
Okay, next one.
No. Now crank it for a little bit and see if it spits some more out.
It's arcing, Jesus.
I bet it'll fire right up.
All right, slide them all in. We're good. Let's go.
Sounded like she had some good compression.
Yeah, it did, and
Oh my god, that spark plug wire's so bad.
we need a new spark plug wire ASAP.
Let's get some electrical tape.
There you go. Where's it at?
I got electrical tape.
Do you actually
I
know
do.
where it's at?
I do.
I also
Okay, can you put that on like 2 or something? Jesus Christ.
Nah,
you're gonna
crank
snap
'em down.
them along.
That's good enough. What's a Nope. These are so bad. It's spraying oil up the intake valve, up the runner, and out the carb, and it's popping out.
I think it blew the head gasket.
I think the intake valve stopped open again. Go get the impact. Let's pull it back apart.
Christ, Max. Chill. What do you want from me?
You need to
It's
build
windy.
it up.
So at least we know whatever the fuck kind of engine this is survives.
Stratton, brother.
Yeah.
They're famous for a reason.
Oh,
right, here we go.
okay, we're screwed.
You're dripping a lot of oil.
That didn't sound good.
Ooh.
BBs were a bad idea.
All right, take the head back.
It's not disengaging on the starter. Pump it a little bit.
There you go. Pranker.
A good running start.
Starter dog.
Yeah, there's oil leaking out here quite badly. Alright, now try it. Oh my god, that towel is covered.
Ooh.
That bent the rod right there.
Oh.
Ooh.
There is something in there that shouldn't be.
I wonder what.
Probably the BBs
Go
that
all
jumped
the way
in there.
back to the other lock. Let's get some momentum behind the starter.
Ooh.
That was not it.
Oh, I don't go.
It won't. There we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no.
Definitely want you to
There goes my hero. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
Give her a second to cool down there, brother.
Yeah, I need to take a freeze frame from Jason's big show that says, "Woo! We only knew how bad things really are."
She cooking.
We need to let her cool down for a moment.
Get some water, bro.
Let's give it like 2 minutes to cool down.
I'll save my tip for when it catches on fire.
I bet it's stuck right now.
Let's cool it down for no, more.
Oh, she might be locked
Still
up.
going.
Yeah.